there's the challenge. There's my fuel line coming out of the back of the frame horn, driver's side frame horn, and it's corroded out and about dead. So what I want to do is I want to replace it as it goes up through the center tunnel. Like I mentioned before, it's why I cut the access port there and the access port in the front. You can see it goes down through the tunnel. It is this guy right here. That line continues on. It's that bottom line right there. And then snakes up through the head and comes out there. Now it's a smaller diameter line and it's a copper line, but I have a plan for replacement. I was given this line, it's stainless and it's a larger diameter than the copper line. So if I ever decide to increase my fuel flow requirements, so if I want to upgrade the engine, I need more fuel, it's going to be able to flow more through that line. Now the challenge is, because it's a larger diameter, I have to get through all the same holes as currently exist. But there's a few good things. So on the back of the frame horn also we have heater control line, neither of which are needed because on the dune buggy we don't need those. So paired up right here are the heater control line on the top, and right behind it, where it's kind of hard to see at the moment, is the fuel line. Coming through to here, we have heater control line in there, that access port, and heater control line there. What I want to do is I'm going to get in here with a Sawzall and I'm going to cut both of these out because I don't need them. I've ground them down flat on the other side, and once I pull them, maybe that weld will pop out. It may not, but it'll give me a lot more room to work in there and less tubing to have to conflict with. What's left of the heater channel? There. Yep. Scrap. So I was going right along using the rubber mallet, as you saw in the time lapse, tapping it in so it would continue along the tunnel, and oops. So using the vice grips there on the end, I'm going to tap it back out, get it out of this hole, and then hopefully I can guide it so it doesn't go back out through that hole. I want to have it continue down the tunnel. Since it is a thicker diameter, it's going to be a little harder to control because it's a little bit stronger, but we'll see what we can do. All right, so with a little help of the young guy there, working on the rubber mallet, we were able to tap the new fuel line in, the new stainless steel, higher diameter fuel line. It goes down through the body. So it's down in there, down along in the channel, down in here, comes along, down in here. It's underneath that bracket, and then out through the hole. So we should be able to hook to this with our soft fuel line, and that should get us a better flow down from tank to engine. Thanks, bud. Appreciate it.
Welcome.